Hey guys, just a heads up before you start watching this video. I look extremely robotic. I'm editing it now and I'm cringing. A lot of the time I was like, what am I doing with my hands in this picture? Like what's going on? Why do I keep saying I don't know. I guess I'm just very critical. If you do feel so inclined to try my recipe out, leave in the comments below what you think of it. Today the things I'll be using is a blender, and I'll be using that to do egg whites and mixing all the ingredients together. 2 round 8-inch pans, a spatula, and a mixing spoon. You'll want to mix all the dry ingredients first. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of coconut flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, half of a teaspoon, this is 1/4 of a teaspoon, so I'll do 2 of these, of salt. Just whisk it all together. And now in this bowl, what I have is 6 eggs, and then I have a 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of coconut oil. Oh, I may need a bigger bowl. Have 2/3 of a cup of maple syrup. You can also use honey. You need 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix all the wet and dry ingredients together now. And I'm going to start with the spoon so I can get everything from the bottom of the bowl, like all the coconut flour and everything, up to the top. I'm going to wash these off because I'll need to use them for the frosting. 3 egg whites separated, 3 completely separate egg whites from the 6 eggs that I put in. And now you're just going to want to fold it into, not mix it, but fold it into the batter. And it's just a very foamy texture now, and that's what's going to fluff up this cake. I'm just going to dump the rest in and fold it all in. You don't want to really mix it up too much, so. And now what I'm going to do is grease up my 2 8-inch pans. And you can see the texture of it's significantly better now. It's thicker. So we're just going to dump some in here. Just split it up between both pans. This bowl is heavy. You will set the oven to 350, preheat it, and then just toss them in. It smells delicious. This is what we're looking at. Comes out clean. My frosting was 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 2/3 a cup of your choice of chocolate chips or chopped up chocolate. And then you'll melt it on a stove on low till everything's completely melted, all the chocolate's melted. And you'll put it in a bowl, big enough that you can use a blender in, but you'll put it in the fridge for about 2.5 to 3 hours. And once it's hardened, you pull it out, you whip it up with the mixer. But I'm just gonna let these cool, and then I will show you the finished product when it's all done. Hey guys, sorry I did not actually manage to get a small clip of the finished product. I had to use it for a birthday cake, obviously, and by the time I finished frosting it, I was in a rush. I did get a picture of the cake, which I will put right here. I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. Thank you for watching.